Signal Iduna is very excited about the scooter market. Johannes is going to give us a keynote. Please come on stage. And yeah, scooters is a sub-segment of our vertical mobility. We have 10 verticals now, and we have been very lucky, as it's a mania of NOAH to invite representatives of all different fields. We brought you, I think, 5 scooter businesses, and they're presenting here on stage after Johannes' keynote. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, thank you.
How many accidents have there been already? Any fatal ones?
I don't know, a few.
Hopefully not here, but you will see.
Yeah, I would say the last mile is always the hardest.
You need this?
Yes, the last mile is always the hardest. My name is Johannes Rath, and I'm the Chief Digital Officer of Signal Iduna Group, one of the leading German insurance companies. And in my career, from an insurance perspective, it's the first time that I see the evolution of a brand new insurance market. And it's a pleasure to be here today at NOAH. So the last mile is always the hardest. I think that is true in a marathon, and it is also true in urban transportation. Well, in Germany is a car nation, US is a car nation, and even India is becoming a car nation. We sit in the traffic jams in the morning and we hate it. We sit in the traffic jams in the evening and we hate it again, and we still use the cars. But what about biking to work? Have you ever ridden a bike in a suit before the important meeting? That is not always an option. What about public transportation? Maybe the train station is too far away from your work. This is where micromobility solutions enter the picture. They make our way to work easier. They speed up our trip from the train station to the office. And all in all, they make it easier for us to get the right way in the last mile. That's why great companies have been working hard on this last mile question. You will hear the presentation in just a few minutes. And what they do all have in common is they want to get us from A to B faster. They want to make our life easier, and they want to help us to reduce our carbon footprint in the future. And how we use the bike scooter park, it makes a lot of fun. Most of the mobility services you will see in the next hours use the e-scooters to get from A to B. But believe me, there is more to come. The company I work for is an investor on one of these companies you will see on stage. And we are also an insurer of e-scooters. And for us, it is definitely a growing market. 3 good reasons why I would love to see a lot of scooters in this summer in Germany. Today, we have Cirque and Tier from Germany. We have Boy from Sweden. We have Lime and Bird from US on stage. I would say this is the who is who of the micromobility scene. But let me say one thing before we get to the speaker up here. Micromobility is not about US versus Sweden, Sweden versus Germany, Germany versus China. It's not about e-scooter versus other solutions. It's about connecting the dots in our public transportation system. It's about seeing an alternative for using cars. It's about creating a greener way to move around every day and having fun with it. Most of all, micromobility is an investment in our future. We can achieve a better life for us, for ourselves, and also for our children. Let us embrace the possibility competition offers and reach our goals faster. And I'm very happy to say, and thanks to our government, after a really, really long process, that you can ride the last mile with an e-scooter in Germany in this summer in 2019. And it's a pleasure that I talk to you today, and I would like to welcome Christian Gassner from Bird. He is the General Manager DACH. Welcome on stage. Thank you very much.